everyone, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Chief Francis, CEO Pure Organic Skincare _NG. So today I'll be showing you a quick, easy and super way to pro-mix your stretch marks remover cream. This stretch marks remover is very effective. It will fade off your stretch marks, make it blend in with your skin, erase it, and you'll be comfortable in your own skin. So many of us women have issues of stretch marks, either the one we got through weight gain or weight loss, through childbirth, or through using of bad products. So first thing, the products I'm using are Veetgold Stretch Marks Therapy. Very good product. I love it, even though it's small, but it's very good. And I'm using Veetgold 99.9% aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is very good for the skin too. And here we have Piment Dew. This is the Piment Dew container. The one with a golden cover is the original. The one with yellow cover is the fake. And we also have some with golden cover, but it's written Grace instead of Piment Dew. So those ones are also fake. So be careful, guys. And here we have our bio oil. Here we have our collagen extracts. And here we have our Veetgold Fast Action Whitening Spot Removing Tube. This tube doesn't contain any form of clobetasol, no form of steroid. You can see from the ingredients what we have are vitamin C, licorice root extract, papaya extract, and you can see carboma. Carboma is also there. Also have UVA, ursi, that is ursi and uva. What's that? It's like licorice, but not licorice. I can't actually remember, but you can see here it contains carboma. Carboma, anything that has carboma in it, you cannot work with it. You cannot use lactic acid and work with it, because once you use lactic acid in a cream that has carboma, it's going to make your cream turn to liquid. So be careful when mixing anything. Check under the ingredients and check if it has carboma. Do not mix it with lactic acid. Okay, so let me mix it and show you how to mix this thing all up. Okay, so here I'm going to put in my Piment Dew to the lotion. That's my Veetgold Stretch Marks Remover Cream. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of my bio oil. I won't be adding much, just half of it, because you don't want it too watery. Okay, you can see half contents. And then I'll be adding in my aloe vera. Even aloe vera alone can help with your stretch marks. Also good for sunburn. If you're suffering from sunburn, aloe vera is very good. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be adding is my tube. I'm only using one tube for one of these. You can add more than one, but I prefer to use one. It depends on the way your stretch marks is. Some people are dark skinned and they have stretch marks. They don't want anything to lighten them. You just make use of one. Some people are very fair and they have those dark, big, dirty stretch marks. Then you can use 2 or even 3 of these tubes. Okay, so next I'll be adding is my collagen extracts, just a little. That's enough, and I'm going to whisk it. So the other thing I want to talk of is when you're pro-mixing something like this, do not make use of anything that contains hydroquinone, because instead of it to fade it off, it's going to increase it. There's something we call exogenous ochronosis. Is a complication that normally occurs on the face of black-skinned people, not just on the face, but on the feet, on the hands, I don't know if you've ever seen some people with those thick, dark knuckles, and those thick, dark knuckles, not knuckles now, the ones on the feet, and you'll be wondering how did this happen? It's caused by long use of hydroquinone products. In my next video, I'll be talking about that. But please, guys, avoid something that has too much of hydroquinone. Like when it comes to promixing, some of us that promix, they tend to use so many serums, and each of those serums, one might contain 4% hydroquinone, the next one might contain 4%, and you're using 4 serums that contains hydroquinone to mix your cream, and each of them contains 4% each. That's 4 times 4. That is how many percent? And the normal percent of hydroquinone that is advisable to use shouldn't be more than 4%. But when you use like 12% or 16% hydroquinone in your product, automatically you're damaging your skin. You will not see the effect immediately, but later on you're going to see the damages that you've caused to your skin. So be careful. Even if you're using just 4% hydroquinone product, you know, when you use something, you give like 2 to 3 months, you do skin building, you take a break, use just brightening oil on your skin or your body butter. After that, you continue. So let me mix this thing up quickly. So guys, here you have it, your super effective stretch marks remover. Once again, the products I used are Veetgold stretch marks therapy, bio oil, aloe vera gel, Veetgold aloe vera gel, pine dew, Veetgold strong whitening tube, and collagen extracts. I'm not a fan of too many ingredients, so you know, little ingredients or little products combination goes along with us if you know the right products to use. So thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, share, like, comment. I'll definitely answer your questions. If you haven't bought my professional promixing ebook, please do, so you will learn the right and effective way to mix your products effectively to give you a great and good result. Thank you all.